How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. For this, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure that you have fully updated the application. Now, you want to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here at the top right corner again, you will find a pencil icon. Go ahead and tap on this. Now, you're going to find the option of Create Broadcast Channel. You want to select that. Now, if you do not find this option, then remember that in order to create broadcast channel, there are some requirements. The first requirement is that you must have a creator account. If you do not have that, make sure that you switch into a creator account. And the second requirement is you need to have at least 10,000 followers. After meeting both of these criteria, you're going to get the Create a Broadcast Channel option. So go ahead and click on that. Now you want to name your channel, then choose your audience, choose an end date for your channel, choose if you want to show your channel on profile, then click on the Create Broadcast Channel option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.